Can't wait to finish this and get some of that down ya. You know what I mean?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now money for you guys. What? Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be cooking. What am I cooking? Well, it's gonna involve feta cheese, pasta and chicken. It's called feta pasta. Yeah, because it obviously it's got feta cheese in there, it's got pasta in there, and all sorts. So stay tuned. But before going any further, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Hit that button at MosToosifar. Once that's done, move over to Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. And we can begin the show. Don't forget at the end of the video, drop me one of these. Alright. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we got a lot of pans going on here. So, to start off with, you want to get your chicken and you want to chop it up. You want to sort out your chicken first, right? Take out the excess bit, that's, you know, the extra fat bits, not the nice bits. Yeah, make sure there's no bones. Chop it up. Okay. Just like so. Yeah. I've had these cherry tomatoes washed. Just like so. Take these bits off. Pour it in the pan. Make sure you don't get those. And now, what you want to do is turn this on. Put a bit of olive oil, not olive oil, just normal oil. And then a pinch of salt. And then you just want to mix it all up. Yeah. This is feta cheese. Put it right in the middle there. Let it go. Let it do its thing. After all, this is feta pasta, right? So that's going to be your sauce. That's going to be your cream. Yes, your milk. You don't need to add nothing to that, right? Just let it go. You want to get your chicken, you want to marinate this. Okay, obviously what you need is some salt and pepper. Yep. Pinch of oil. And then mix this bad boy up. You can use the same spoon, I don't really care. It's all gonna go down nicely and lovely, jubbly. You know what I mean? Alright guys, just whilst that's cooking and this is going slowly, you're gonna get your coriander, chop it up, right? Get rid of that. The rest of it, you just want to grab a whole bunch, just go like that. The juice of the tomatoes is coming out, this is softening up. There you go. Bring this up to the heat. Yep, there you go. Lovely. Look at that. We're going to turn this down slightly, just so it doesn't burn or anything like that. Yes, look at that. Push it down. Push it all down. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Give it a little spin. Make sure it doesn't stick. I mean, a little bit did get stuck, but we're good. Doesn't that look amazing, guys? Just turn it down. Let this whole thing do its thing. It always drips from there. I don't understand why. Bloody annoying. There you go. What I'm actually gonna do, get rid of that water, is switch places because this is a bigger heat. Yeah, move over here, you move over there. Yeah, You go full blast. I'm not going to use a whole pack. A little bit. Yeah, that should be fine. Just make the chickens a little bit smaller because somebody didn't want to put more chicken out. They were being a bit stingy. And it weren't me, by the way, so yeah. Just comment below, say next time use more chicken. Yeah? I want to see someone comment below, next time use more chicken. Do that so I can show this person to put out more chicken for me and we can have more chicken. How about that? Alright. How we do? Oh, look at that. The feta cheese. Guys, honestly, that smells amazing. That is top notch. That is top quality. That is quality, mate. You know what I mean? That's what you call quality right there. Alright. Mate, it's been a while since I've been talking like this and I sure do miss it. Can't beat them. You can't beat them. You know what I mean? Lovely, lovely. Right. Can't wait to finish this and get some of that down ya. You know what I mean? Get some of that down ya. Right, ladies and gentlemen. It's all kicking off now. What you want to do? Open the lid. Right. You remember the coriander? Guys, that smells beautiful. Remember the coriander I chopped up earlier? Put in what you fancy. All of it, half of it, whatever you want. It's totally up to you. You choose. Yeah? I'll put a little bit more in just to be on the safe side. Might be a bit even extra, but there you go. One more thing. Now, what you want to do is give it a little wiggle. Wiggle like that. Right? Make sure it doesn't go everywhere. Just whilst that's cooking, look at that. That is beautiful, guys. Give this another stir. Make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. We can turn off our chicken. Right? Straight away, pour it in there with everything, all the juice and all of that. Give that a nice little stir. Look at that, guys. This is looking beautiful, I kid you not. Tell me if you don't reckon this is beautiful, eh? Have a look at that now. Oh wow. Yep. I ain't gonna show you no more than that. Right. How's the pasta going, guys? How are we looking? Alright. Like so. I can't be bothered to get the drainer out, to be honest. So don't do this. Don't be lazy. There you go. And once that's done, whew, what you simply want to do is take your pasta and just chuck it in there. Yeah, there's a bit of water still left in there, but it's alright. It's not that much of a big deal. You just turn it back up a little bit more, get things all cooking together, let everything marinate nicely. You know what I mean? Look at that. Guys, I am so hungry, you have no idea. My belly's making all sorts of noises, you know that? One of them ones. Get the bowl. You want to get everything. Where's a nice plum small? That's what I want to see. Look at that. Beautiful. That is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. That's full of taste. There you are. And you just want to put one coriander fresh on the top. Give it that nice look. voila, there is your feta pasta with chicken. Bon appetit. Make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come